Okay. It's been about 4 or 5 hours since I got on here earlier today. I was talking about how I woke up and figured it out. But you know, I've been also, you know, my girlfriend I was telling you all about, you know, she had been texting me back and forth all day in regards to the show and different things women do or don't do and all this other stuff. But you know, days like this day when it's raining, a couple weeks before the holidays, I cannot remember the last time that I even thought about a holiday being good. No, yes I can. It was Christmas of '09 before I met Daryl. That holiday. I met Daryl on December the 21st of '09. By December the 21st, 2010, I was fucked up. Shit was fucked up. Shit was fucked up. Shit was fucked up. Daryl was using. And here it is, fucking almost 4 or 5. What is that? 10, 11, 12, 13. 5 fucking years later. Still the fucking same. What have I not done? Like, what have I not done? I don't understand. Like, only thing I can't do no more, I think, is cry. And I don't even know if that's fucking good. Like, I don't even know if that's so cool that I can't cry about this shit no more. Because at least when I was crying, I knew it was about me being in pain. I knew that it was hurting. Now, I don't even know what it is no more. It just seems like a person with some love for themselves, or I don't know, a healthier person than me would have said, nah, fuck that shit. That nigga did some cruddy shit and we're gonna leave him alone. And I cannot conjure up in my mind all of that. I just keep thinking about the shit I've done in life, man, that I just wanted somebody to forgive me for. And I don't know if that is me justifying his behavior or rationalizing his behavior. I don't know what it is, but there's some things, I don't know, man. I'm not that ununderstanding of what he did. Like, I get the fucking shit. Crack has, however, there's parts of me that starts to see that you can love somebody and they not only not have the ability to love you back, but not know that they have the ability to take advantage of that love, or know that they have the ability to take advantage of that love. And maybe, just maybe, I'm having a hard time accepting that this man had, I don't know, I'm listening, and every time I think of Daryl, I cannot wholeheartedly say that he purposely took advantage of my love. I cannot honestly say that, and I try to be as honest as I can on this bitch right on here. I really do. I try to be as honest as I can, and I can't honestly say that. You know what? The young lady that I been texting with, my good friend of mine, she said, the relationship I was in with him really spun me. And that's what it feels like. It feels like the carpet was just swooped from like something came through, like, and it's like the Exorcist. His head spun. Fucking cocaine is a bitch. Huh. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Oh, I got a headache. I'm in the parking lot of Walmart, listening to Salvation Army ring the bell, right? Salvation Army man on his phone texting. So it's like, what is real? You know, this real time they would be saying Merry Christmas. I don't know. They not even paying us no attention. He was ringing the bell. And then, like, wow. Like, wow. I'm gonna go in. I don't know. What? I don't even know why the fuck I pulled this thing back out and talked on here. I just had to know, like, what is going on with me, everybody? What is going on with me? Like, what is you know, I almost am scared to ask this question, but what do you all really think? Like, really, do you all... No, never mind. I'm scared. That would just be too much. I'll be probably overwhelmed with all the opinions of people. Gee whiz, but 5 years. 5 years. Oh, Lord have mercy. 5 years. This shit been going on for 5 years. I gotta do something better than this. I gotta take care of Joy a little bit better. I feel like this is, you know, it feels like sometimes that this is it for this person that I'm looking at right now, that I would probably, I don't know if I would ever be able to love again or be loved. It's the thought of loving the way I would like to love and taking a chance on being hurt again is too freaking dangerous. And I don't know if I could survive another one. I don't know if I could survive being hurt again. As much as I tell myself I want to be in a relationship, I don't know. And then when I think about it, it's fucked up that I'm so damaged that I'm not going to be able to give nobody else another chance. Because that's what it feels like. It feels like I'm so damaged that I will not be able to love again. Even though there are days that I feel so wonderful about me, there's still parts of me that feel so damaged. Okay? That's what it is. I'm damaged. Alright. Thanks for listening. Thank you. Okay. Struggle is over. Let's not forget that. Come on, God. Help me. Just help me. Just help me. All right. It's gonna be alright, Joy. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna get better later. You're gonna have some days when the shit just don't feel right. You're gonna have some days when it feels like everything is good. Then you're gonna have days like this when you just really don't fucking know what's real. All right.